welcome citizen of SJA Jeju. We are so glad that you're here for the first ever World Leadership Expo.
Today's event allows the greatest leaders from all over the planet to come together to resolve some of our issues. Today's leaders are going to discuss an extremely important topic. How much recess time should we have at school?
Without any further delay, let's introduce our world leaders to the stage. First up, the Queen of Classroomia, Ellen.
Thank you. It is truly a royal honor to be here to speak with all the little people of SJA.
Thank you, Queen. Next up, we have the President of the United Learning Paws, Mr. Jun Han.
Hello everyone, I'm so happy to be here and I'm ready to hear from you, the voices that really matter on these serious topics.
Great, Mr. President. Joining us all the way from the country of cafeteria, religious leader Sophie.
Greetings, citizens. My long trip here was blessed, and I'm sure that the higher power will be looking over our decisions today.
We are so glad you could join us. Next up is, wait, is this a mistake? Another president from the Republic of Playgrounds, Mr. Roy and his friends.
Thanks, everyone. But one moment, please. I am so glad for the invite. Even though it pulled me away from some important money-making business, this endeavor seems worth our time. I mean, my time.
Thank you, Mr. President and friends. And last but not least, from the small kingdom of detention, Supreme Leader Tony.
I'm here, I'm ready. My kingdom is not small, and I'm ready to make some decisions.
And there you have it, citizens, our 5 global leaders ready to tackle our tough question. Just a reminder, we are trying to decide how much recess time should we have in school. I will open the floor for any remarks from our leaders.
I'll get this started, and I will also quickly end it. This decision is easy. Even my simple-minded president friend could figure it out. We need to cancel all recess time in school. There is no need for it. I have many things that the citizens of SJA can work on, like improving my military, working in the fields, and organizing a parade to be held in my honor. See, easy and done, decisions made.
I'm sorry, but I have to respectfully disagree with you, Mr. Supreme Leader. You cannot make this decision for everyone because this group at SJA is made up with different people with different views and values. We should respect all their ideas and hold a vote to see what decision should be made. The voices of people is powerful.
Yes, we believe that. One moment. I agree that the people should speak up in this problem and vote for a recess time. Our group here will make sure that the voting is handled safely and respectfully. My friend here will personally count all the ballots and make sure that we get the outcome we deserve. We are excited about reaching a fair vote that helps everyone.
Sorry I haven't spoken up sooner, but I have been reading my holy book for guidance. While I do not agree with how the dictator came up with his answer, he is correct that the answer is simple and very clear. It states here in the good book that we should have exactly 11 and a half minutes of recess. Thanks to be above for such clear and divine truth. It shall be done. Oh, that's a rubbish. How can you make a decisions by what it says in book? These are the decisions that is much harder to figure out because this can affect so many people. That is why I am here to help make decisions for everyone. Too many voices can often drown out the one that matters the most. Recess should be 20 minutes, but only after citizens have to come support me and the crown.
What are you talking about? Who put you in charge?
Oh, stop it, please.
Remember kind words, friends.
Can we help buy this decision from you?
Enough! Take your seat, leaders. Well, that was very interesting, but I'm not really sure what decision was made.
Maybe we can ask the audience to help us think who is the most effective leader. By clapping your hands, please help us decide which leader had the best idea.
Was it the Supreme Leader? The oligarchs? The Queen? The religious leader? The President?
And there you have it, folks. Thank you for your help today, and we will continue to look into this issue of time at recess. Maybe with an effective leader and government in place, SJA will be able to deal with these problems on our own next time.
Thanks for nothing, leaders. Take care, everyone.
Thank you for joining us today and happy Halloween, everyone. Please take your seat and get ready for SJA's first Halloween Hootenanny.
Hootenanny? What's a hootenanny?
Seriously? You don't know? A hootenanny is a gathering music and sometimes dancing.
Are we going to have music and dancing today?
Oh yeah, of course. Especially this is the first time we've been able to host again because of COVID, you know.
Oh yeah, COVID. What a bummer. Speaking of, I heard my dad on the phone the other days saying that being parented with a talkative child is like having an insane parrot glued to your shoulder. I was like, thanks, Dad.
Oh my gosh, that reminds me that the other day the World Health Organization announced that dogs cannot contract to COVID-19 and that dogs were held in a quarantine before can now be released. To be clear, who let the dogs out?
Anyway, back to the hootenanny.
First off, a big thank you to the grade 5 students who just share about the great learning they have been doing during our current government and economies unit of study.
Next up to the stage is grade 4 with a special Halloween surprise.
Surprise! I don't like surprises, especially around this time of year.
You'll be fine, Raywan. I think this will truly be a thrill. Let's all welcome grade 4 to the stage and really get this hootenanny started. Thank you, grade 4, for that amazing performance. I know I enjoyed the thrill of it all.
Hey girls, do you want to hear a funny joke?
Yeah, we love jokes.
What did the vampire say to the ghost at the Halloween party?
What?
Come on, why don't you live a little?
Wow, that joke was a fright.
I'm surprised the crowd didn't boo you.
Yeah, Damon, that joke stank as much as a vampire's breath.
Okay, girls, it's time to move on to our Halloween hootenanny.
The second grade students have been very reflective so far this year as they work through our new second step SEL program.
Let's all welcome grade 2 onto the stage to share what they have been learning.
We are going to do 3 movements. This is called memory movement. We are going to do 3 movements. Watch the movements first, then think. When I say go, you do the movements. Here are the 3 movements. Watch. First, touch head. Second, hop twice. Third, turn around. Now think. Go. Did you touch your head, then hop twice, and then turn around? If you did, great job.
I can't do this. I made a mistake. I'll not try again.
Hey, that's not a helpful thought. You should try your best and think helpful thoughts. Let's try again.
It's time to build your brain. Today we'll play a game called Memory Movements. Here's how to play.
You're going to watch me do a series of movements.
When I'm done, I will say the word think. That's your cue to repeat what I said to yourself or picture what I did in your head.
Then, when I say the word go, you'll do the action I did, but backwards. It's time to begin. I will show you the moments twice before it's your turn. Clap.
Hop.
Hold your nose.
Here is over.
Left. Go. Touch nose. Then, repeat the movements to yourself.
Go.
You should touch your nose and hug and flip your head.
It's okay if you didn't remember everything in the right order. Keep practicing.
Oh no, I made a mistake. I didn't do it backward. No. Well, when you make a mistake, you can try again.
You can always make a change and maybe do it better next time.
Remember, if you don't know something, you can ask for help.
Making mistake is part of learning. Don't give up. Thanks for all this help. Now I know I'm going to do better next time.
That was out of this world. Thank you for grade 2 for your hard work.
Guess what? It's joke time. Which plant likes Halloween the most?
I don't know. Which one?
Bamboo! Wow, Darren, if that joke or any more corny, we could make popcorn out of it. Hey guys, I've got another joke, but this time you'll really like it.
Oh boy, here we go again.
I want to hear it. Go ahead, Felix. Okay, here we go. What type of music does mummies like to listen? I don't know. What type? Rap music.
Okay, let's all calm down. I need to tell you guys something. I've been hearing rumors about a special guest coming to school.
A guest? No way. Is it BTS? They're my favorite band.
No, Darren, it's not your favorite band.
But seriously, I heard that too, and I guess they caught him on a video. Let's check it out.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello. Are there still prizes to be had?
Yes, there's still prizes to be had. There's one big prize and then a couple little ones. Yeah, we'll do everything. So.
It's already open. Perfect. Okay. I knew it was gonna happen. Nice to see you.
Oh my god! You!
And actually, if you and it's being recorded, right? I've never been. Is this for Halloween?
Yeah.
I've never been gotten before. 6 years, and I've never been gotten before. Oh my goodness.
The W section, if you go over there.
Okay. W.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it!
You're not getting sick of it, do you?
Come down here, and there's let me show you. So. You okay, Nami? Are you okay?
I'm so scared.
I'm sorry.
Wow, that was a great video. Those reactions were so funny.
Yeah, it really got me into the Halloween spirit.
You know what? It reminds me of a joke I heard once.
Please, no.
What is a witch's favorite thing to study at school?
Math?
Science?
Spelling.
Okay, that was pretty funny, but it is time to move on with our Hoot Nanny.
Since we are already celebrating Halloween, how about we celebrate anyone who had a birthday in October? We want to celebrate with you. Let's welcome Mr. Jolie to the stage.
Please stand up if you had a birthday in October. Can you sing along?
Wow, there are so many birthdays in October. Happy birthday, everyone.
As you all know, this year we started an awesome new house system in the elementary school.
Yeah, go Orem.
No, go Singmurti!
Settle down, you two. Let's check in on our progress, how each of the houses are doing lately.
Please welcome Mr. Anderson, Mr. Mateus, and the student council to the stage to fill us in on how it's going.
Dear students, teachers, and parents, hello, good afternoon. My name is Max, and I'm Stuco president. Thank you so much for being here today for the Grade 5 assembly. Great job, everyone, hosting the first student-led assembly of the year.
Hello, I'm Rex, your Stuco Vice President. Thank you so much for your support during Spirit Week. It was nice to see students and teachers engaged, having fun, and looking fabulous.
Hi, I'm Tony, your Suko treasurer. The core values of character, inquiry, and community make SJ Jeju such a unique place for us to learn as global citizens. And to keep working on these values, the school started the house program. We will now watch a video to introduce our houses.
my name is Shin B, and I'm your school secretary. I'd like to acknowledge the hard work of Mr. Jones and Mr. Kutzer in designing and creating our amazing house trophy. This trophy will be awarded to the house with the most points each year. Mr. President, will you please announce the winner of the house trophy?
The house that went above and beyond our school expectations, showed positive behavior, was a good role model for everyone, and scored more points this month was, drumroll please, Dongmulgun. Please welcome to the stage Anika Mallory from 2W and 3C Yeju from 3C to accept the house trophy. Mr. Griffith will hand over the trophy.
Congratulations.
Amazing! Our first House Cup of award for the year is Dongmulgun. Way to go, Dongmulgun!
I can't believe it. The other houses will really have to try their best to grab their cup at our next assembly.
We're almost out of time, but we have just enough for one more Hootenanny performance. Please welcome Mr. Jolly and the 5th grade classes for a spooky Halloween sing-along.
Oh, there it is. All right. This is our spooky, scary skeletons. If you know it, sing along with us and enjoy a little Halloween song to finish up.
That was an amazing performance. Can we get another round of applause for grade 5 for hosting this awesome assembly?
We want to thank you all again for joining us today for our first 2022 SJA Jeju Assembly and our first ever Halloween Hootenanny.
We had so much fun today, but the fun doesn't have to end here.
Yes, it does. We are out of time.
No, it doesn't, because we have just enough time for...
No!
One more joke.
Oh, okay. Let's hear it, Kate.
Why didn't the skeleton cross the road? Because he didn't have the guts.
Now let's take a moment to appreciate all the hard work our students and teachers did on our Founders Day mural.
Now to announce the pumpkin contest winner.
Okay, that's the end of our show. We would like to thank you all for coming and have a happy Halloween!